welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan and today we're going to be doing this Halloween look of a college tailgate gone wrong using an aluminum can. So keep watching. Alright, so first taking an aluminum can and cutting it in half, and make sure you sand on the edges so they're not sharp. Try it over your eye, make sure you like the placement, and using a marker, I use a dry erase marker, trace around the can so you get a good outline. Next, using the liquid latex, you want to shake the bottle first. I poured it just on a little piece of cardboard. Using a paintbrush, you just want to outline the circle that you traced. Make sure you don't get the liquid latex on any of your hair. I tried to avoid my eyebrow best as possible. It'll still stick with all the other spots. Now taking cotton balls, I just kind of stretch them out. You're going to place it on the liquid latex while it's still wet. This is going to be a good outline so the can isn't pressed up against your skin. It's okay if your outline looks a little big. It's going to look like skin later on. Using the liquid latex and a spoon, make sure you get a good layer on top of the cotton and press it into your skin. A big spoon's a little messy, so you might want to switch out spoons and go in with a smaller one. Just making sure you're flattening out the cotton and getting a good layer on there. Using a paintbrush, I'm going to go in and dab on top of the cotton. This is going to be where the can is going to stick, so you want to make sure you get a lot and it's wet. Place the can where you want it over your eye, and then using a paintbrush, you're going to make sure you get a good layer on the skin, the cotton, and the can. This is going to make sure the can sticks to the eye. You're going to end up drying with a blow dryer. If the can is not sticking, it's okay. Using a blow dryer, you want to go in and dry the glue so it sticks. I did this for about a minute on high heat with low pressure. Using foundation, I'm just going to pump a little on the back of my hand and any brush and just kind of go over that cotton and liquid latex to make it blend into the skin a little more. This is going to make the area look more fleshy after. Trying to get the foundation to dry, I ended up going in with the blow dryer again for about 30 seconds. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette with the shade Red Ochre. I'm going to go in, any red shade will do that's going to look like the blood and the bruising around the eye. And you can be messy with this part. That's what makes this look so fun and easy, is that you can just go any direction. You don't have to focus on being precise. Alright, going in with some fake blood. I got this little pack from a random Halloween kit that I got off Amazon. And with any brush, you're going to want to go and make sure you hit all the edges going around the can. And again, just make sure you're being messy with this part. Next, going in with a sponge and just kind of dabbing it all around to blend everything in. I'm going around the cotton, around the liquid latex, and putting it even on my skin, and a little bit on the can to give the can a little bit of effect as well. Alright, so this is my completed Halloween tutorial using an aluminum can. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe and check out my other accounts. Bye! I think it's in my hair.
Come on.
I can't. Oh. Oh.
Don't say it like
Don't
that.
Forget. Subscribe and check out my other social media accounts.
Yeah.
Linked above. Linked below.
No.